In this video, I'll show you how to calculate taxes with Claude AI. This is a quick and easy way to estimate taxes without doing manual calculations. To begin, I'll make sure I'm already logged into my Claude account and on the main Claude screen. Next, I'll click inside the message box in the center of the screen, where Claude asks, "How can I help you today?" Now I'll type a prompt asking Claude to calculate taxes. For example, I might type, "Calculate the income tax for $50,000 based on a 20% tax rate." After typing the prompt, I'll click the send button. Claude will quickly generate the result and may even show the breakdown of the calculation. If I want more accurate results, I can include more details in my prompt, such as location, tax brackets, or deductions. For example, I might type, "Calculate my income tax in the Philippines for 50,000 pesos monthly salary including standard deductions." Claude can also help explain how the tax was calculated, making it easier to understand each step. If needed, I can paste my financial details and ask Claude to compute total taxes or compare different scenarios. Once I get the results, I can copy them and use them for budgeting, planning, or reporting. And that's it. I've successfully used Claude AI to calculate taxes. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick AI tutorials and guides.